Sometimes we come across homes that are a little dated or in need of a full remodel. I don't see that as a drawback. I see it as an opportunity. An opportunity to showcase not just what it is, but what the home can truly become. When I walk into a property, I'm not focused on the finishes that are there today. I see the bones, the structure, and the full potential of the space. I don't just market homes as they are. With my background in architectural design, I see beyond the current condition. I uncover the value and vision waiting to be realized. We professionally capture the home as it stands, then thoughtfully reimagine the space using today's design trends, allowing buyers to truly visualize the transformation. This creates an emotional connection, elevates perceived value, and drives stronger interest in offers. Of course, we price appropriately for condition, but we market the vision. If you have a dated home you need to sell, give me a call today, and I'll show you how utilizing my expertise and architectural training can help sell your home